Walk into a casino and everything is designed to feel like you'll win. Bright lights, free drinks, the sound of jackpots going off. All around you, people are winning. And yet, the casino always comes out ahead. Not usually, always. And here's the part that should unsettle you. They're not cheating. They don't need to. The math does it for them. Every single game has one thing hidden inside it. A tiny invisible tilt, always in the casino's favor. They call it the house edge. It's small, just a few percent. But it never sleeps and it never loses. Take roulette, the simplest case to see it. The wheel has red numbers and black numbers, 18 each. Bet on red win and they pay you 1-to-1. Sounds fair. But look closer. There are two extra pockets, a green 0 and a green double 0. So the wheel actually has 38 slots, not 36. And those two little green pockets, that's the entire trick. Bet on red and you win 18 times out of 38, not 18 out of 36. The green pockets tip the scales. So for every $100 you bet on red, on average you get about 95 back. That missing $5 isn't bad luck. It's the house edge, quietly baked into every spin. But I've walked out a winner, you say, and you're right. You absolutely can win near in the short run. Over a few spins, anything can happen. That short-term luck, that's the bait. It's exactly what keeps you sitting at the table. Because here's the law the entire casino is built on. Flip a coin 10 times and it might land heads 8. Flip it 1,000,000 times and it lands almost perfectly half. The more you play, the closer the results crawl to the true average. And in every casino game, the true average is a loss. For you. Play once, it's luck. Play long enough, it's just arithmetic. Now here's the casino's real superpower. It doesn't care about your one lucky night. It isn't playing one game, it's playing millions. Millions of bets, every single day. And across millions of bets, luck cancels out, leaving only the edge, every time. You're gambling. The casino isn't, it's just collecting. There's a second trap, quieter and deadlier. Your money is limited. The casino's effectively is not. Even in a nearly even game with a tiny edge against you, if you keep playing, one outcome becomes certain. Your bankroll hits 0. It's called gambler's ruin. The only way to guarantee you don't lose it all is to stop. And the casino is built to make sure you don't. I'll just use a system, people say. Double my bet after every loss. Win once and you win it all back. Foolproof, right? Except a losing streak grows terrifyingly fast. Double, double, double. And within a few rounds you're risking thousands. Just to win back a few dollars. Then you slam into the table's maximum bet, and the system is dead. No betting pattern can beat a game that's negative from the very start. And the tilt isn't only in the games. Ever notice a casino has no clocks and no windows? That's so you lose all track of time. You play with chips, not cash, because chips don't feel like real money. Free drinks keep you loose, lights and sounds keep you excited. Even a near miss, 2 jackpot symbols, and the third just above the line, is engineered to feel like you almost won. Every detail exists for one purpose, to keep you playing longer. Because more time means more bets, and more bets means more edge. So is there any game you can actually beat? Almost none. But there's one famous exception, blackjack. By tracking the cards, a sharp player can briefly tip the odds in their favor. And the moment a casino suspects you're doing it, you're politely asked to leave. Think about what that tells you. They'll happily let you play any game the math says you'll lose. The only game they ban is the one you could actually win. So the house edge is small, patient, and absolutely relentless. It doesn't need luck, it just needs you to keep playing. None of this means you can never step inside. Just walk in knowing the truth. The price of admission is the edge and the house always collects. So if you play, play for fun, never for profit. Because in the long run, the only guaranteed winner is the one who built the table.